What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today this is a tutorial on how to get the active developer badge. Now, in this video, I assume that you've already watched my video on how to make a Discord bot. So this has to be after you've made a Discord bot with slash commands, and you've actually used one of its slash commands within the past 30 days. So, let's get into the video. What you want to do is go to discord.com/developers/active-developer. That'll bring you to this page where you can select an active application, step support for the server, and a channel to subscribe to Discord's announcements. Now, you want to select it, and you want to select the server, and then you want to put it in a specific channel. So I'm going to put it in Discord stuff, and then claim, and you have claimed your active developer badge. Visit your profile to see this. And that is the end of the video. No, not bye. Click one of the cards on the screen and possibly subscribe. It'll support the channel. And that's the end of the video. Bye.